It's top of the morning, so I'm just at my spot getting ready to do the Roaring River load. Just show you guys some of the stuff that we put in it. Try to bring flashlights, hygiene products. That's really important right now. We've got water, we got some snacks, we got tarpaulin, we got wipes, we got everything, cereal. No, sorry. It make you nervous, down. You see it. Oh, I see. Hello. Hello. Let's pull around. Thank you. We appreciate it. Hi, baby. Out there right now is killing enough people, you know. Bad meat out there. Be careful where you buy this. Yeah, man. $70. Yeah, we are going to come back.
We love you already. You're free to come back anytime. You know already. One love. 4th of July. I call my brothers, call my cousin, making sure they alive. I don't even know who got hit up, I'm just praying that they survive. They shooting right in front of these babies, swear that something ain't right. Something ain't right. They said these firecrackers ain't the only thing I lit up. My city all at war, if you in the way, you gon' get hit up. Gotta watch your body, can't be lacking when you leaving the club. Several elements. Hey. Crazy part about it, I was supposed to be there that night, it could've been me. When I got home, saw the news, I fell on my knees and I thank God. I was thinking rest in peace, hope P&B, my city needs
the hotel after.
Oh, my city needs something. Hey, I'm pushing peace, I'm just a product of these streets. I ain't no gangster, I'm just me. I found a way out for my family, I'm just showing what you could be.
Can't even walk
It's
in.
been a long,
oh my God.
It's been a long time coming, but change still ain't come. It's been a long. Yeah, guys, it's a wonderful feeling to know that
we did 2 loads today, that's good.
4 of us went on the road and give us so give thanks to you.
Done park court and we are going to pass on ends and out. We right now.
We're in a St. Crescent, Russia area. And then where are we going? Hold on, give me one of these bags and a water. Yeah. He needs it for the. Are there any? How many big jugs are left? We need to keep one. We need to keep 3 of them. Alright, boss.
You might have one.
Yo, no run.
One in there, boss.
No, me was.
Wait for the back then, give me a funny back. And them active. Active. 7 more with it. So yeah, that is tough. Them walk them out now for about look at the people. So fully burger. Yeah. So yeah, for help, so just have to get your shot really fast and quick. And I go finish the way I do. Finish back them up and put them in the car and that's what I'm alright.
Yeah guys, so before I link the grandfather, see him here. Gonna give him some things I know, see him here. Alright, one love, I see his style.
Sure, the more sound. Yeah. Yeah, man. Alright.
Alright, on your mark. On your mark. Get set. Go!